Most games require music of some kind, and Narrative Pro comes with a really flexible, easy to use system. Today, one of our programmers, Flynn, will walk you through setting music up for your game with Narrative Pro 2.
This video continues from after the installation guide. If you haven't seen the installation guide video yet, now would be a good time to do so. To get started with adding music to our game using Narrative Pro, we need to create a tagged music set data asset, and we'll need some music as well. To create our tagged music set, right click in the content browser, go to miscellaneous and data asset. Then look for tagged music set. Now that we have our tagged music set data asset, we're going to open it up, add an element, select the tag to be ambient, and then add a music sound for what we want to use for our ambient music. I'm going to use this track. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to change fade in and fade out duration to 1, just so that it's a little bit quicker. After that, I'm going to do the same thing, add another element, this time selecting combat, and we'll add another music sound here. I'm going to select this track, and also set both fade durations to 1. I'm just going to save that. To use our tagged music set, there's two ways that we can set defaults. First is by heading to the narrative project settings here, expand sounds, and selecting our newly created tagged music set. By default, this will play in every world. If we want to override it for a specific world though, we can head up here to Window and World Settings, and we have this default music set override. We can select whatever one we want there. We only have one, so I'm not going to select it right now. Now when we hit play, we'll hear our ambient track play. This ambient is what plays by default. And as you can hear, it starts playing. Now automatically, this combat music will start playing the moment the player enters combat. But in certain situations, we might want to manually override that music. Included with Narrative Pro is this BP music trigger. If your character overlaps this BP, it will change to whatever the new music set and or theme. Once the character finishes overlapping it, it'll switch back to what was playing before overlapping this volume. For this tutorial though, we're going to recreate this functionality just so that you can get a better understanding of how to actually control the music yourself. To do this, I'm going to right click in the content browser, new blueprint class, actor, name it BP, switch music. Open it up. I'm going to add box collision. I'm going to leave the collision as default because it overlaps the pawn by default. I'm then going to scroll all the way down here and select on component begin overlap. I'm then going to right click in the graph and look for narrative music subsystem. This is your access point to modifying music during gameplay. So I'm going to drag off of here and choose set theme. And then I'm going to select combat. You can add other music tag themes if you like, and to play them, you just use the set theme node as well. Compile and save. And then I'm going to drag this out to the level, scale it up a little bit, and add a cube just to make it easier to know where that volume is. And now when we play and walk into this volume, we're going to hear our combat track start to play. And when we leave, it's going to continue playing until we tell it to change. Let's quickly add an end overlap here, and we're going to just set the theme back to ambient here. And now when we play, we can walk into the cube, and when we leave it, it'll go back to our ambient. But there are going to be times you want to play some music that isn't going to be in our music set. To do that, we can remove both of these set theme nodes, and then for begin overlap, we want to drag off the narrative music here and look for override music with sound. This allows you to override the current music with any sound. We can set a fade in duration here. If it's 0, it'll instantly fade in. I'm going to set this to 1 so that fades in over 1 second. And for our sound here, I'm going to select the combat music again. Then for our end overlap here, I'm going to drag off this narrative music and look for clear override music with sound. And let's give that a go. We can also override entire music sets. For this, I'm going to delete this combat music here. I'm going to right click, duplicate this, and leave it as DA tutorial 1. I'm going to open this up, leave the tag as ambient because I want to override this ambient track, and I'm going to select the combat music in this case again, and I'm going to leave the fade in and out durations the same. Then back in our BP switch music, I'm going to remove both of these nodes here, the override music with sound and clear override music with sound. Then for begin overlap, I'm going to drag off of their narrative music here and look for override music set. Connect this up, and I'm going to select the new duplicated music set, so DA underscore tutorial 1 for me. And then for end overlap, I'm going to drag off and look for reset music set to default. This reset music set to default will use whatever the world or project setting default music set is. So remember, that's in our world settings if we have something set here, or just uses what's in our project settings here. So DA tutorial. So we should have the exact same effect that we just had the past couple times. Thanks for watching and happy developing.